My name is Peter Herku from herku.com, and I'm an expert in continuous process improvement with Lean Six Sigma, but only using 20% of the methodology, solving 80% of the problems. Which problems can you think about? Reducing lead times, reducing times and process takes, improving on-time delivery, improving quality, reducing mistakes. And at the end of the day, if you improve your efficiency and improve your quality, you will reduce your costs. So with Lean Six Sigma, you improve your financial results at the end of the day. And this time I would like to talk about how you can improve your productivity. Whether you are a company, whether you run a company, you run a department, or you are working in a company, you can improve your productivity at least by 20% without any additional costs, without any additional working hours, without any additional investment, because at least 20% of your capacity is wasted currently. Wasted on issues that you are really not aware of, like looking for documents, looking for materials, asking your colleague again. Wasted activities, meaning if you would put it on your invoice to your customer, he would say, "Oh, wait a minute, stop doing that, I will not pay for that." So if you visit my site herku.com, go to products, and you will see there Hercules, which is a web-based process improvement tool. You can take a demonstration, you can watch a demo of the tool, because it will help you find these 20% that you can cut out, and you can increase therefore your productivity, save money, and increase your output. Thank you for watching.